Welcome back guys into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started with a great application called the InstaDoodle. So InstaDoodle is an AI powered cloud-based tool designed to create professional looking whiteboard animation explainer videos quickly, even for beginners. So the general step-by-step guide how you can get started is by using an actual new project. You can log in directly to the cloud-based platform and start a new project. And what you can do, of course, is to choose to do this process in a very easy way. I'm going to go into my elements, which is the traditional softwares and the InstaDoodle. Basically, the InstaDoodle is not an application that you need to pay, of course, for an actual plan. This one only has an actual limited offer, the one-time payment, which is no monthly fees. Create unlimited videos to drag and drop the editor. You can buy this right now, and of course have access to it live time, which I think is going to be really great. Now, directly here into InstaDoodle, you can choose from different project template gallery. For example, there's the Instagram post, there's the Instagram feed. You can choose from different elements. For example, there's the squat versions, and even you can choose, for example, to create your own. So basically, into this kind of presentation, what you can do is to choose one that best suits for what you're actually trying to aim for. For example, there's the funky one. You can choose a paper plane, depending on the style that you wanted to generate here directly into your own project. So choose one template so you can start not from scratch by choosing, for example, let's say from this template dashboard. You can see that we have here into the center elements the preview, how it actually looks. Into the left section we have the doodles, we have the applications, and down here you do have the in this case you might be calling this a creative lifetime. So basically in here this is just like the topic scenes, where basically you just needed to put your character, and directly here into your character you insert the text there. And what you can do is to start by editing the element. For example, learning how to send professional animations, or you can go for emails, right? So you just needed to enter all your elements in there. Even you can try to use the AI wizard, because it's really recommended, of course. If you have an AI wizard feature, the little AI engine will analyze your script, and you can automatically generate scripts, create scenes and such, all of those. Basically, when you enter all your information, you have by default the animation of each scene as you are generating all of those. And you can see how the actual hands appear when you insert your elements. And what you can do is to click into the scene if you want to edit that information or insert an introduction about it. For example, let's head back directly into the dashboard where you can change all of those elements. Basically, you can have the manual customizations. So you can browse the extensive library of over 1000 doodle images, characters, props to use the Doodle AI engine to generate custom doodles from text prompts. You have the image to sketch, where you can upload your own image, like a logo or product of a photo. You have the arrange and the edit, where you can drag and drop elements into your canvas, resize positions, edit them as needed. You can use tools like the transparent fill or the background removal for editing and import it. Now, something else that you can do is to add audio. You can upload your own recorded voiceovers, or use the built-in text-to-speech feature to generate an AI voiced over from your script. You can add background music from the provided library, or upload your own and sync and animate. This means that InstaDoodle can offer automatically sync the drawing animation of the elements to your voiceover, which is a major saved, or even use an artificial intelligence voice that can be helping you to manually adjust the element, so you can just focus into what matters most, which is handle the actual style. Just preview your video so you can now focus into download it. When satisfied, you can select your desired resolution. For example, the 720, the 2K, 4K, the cloud-based rendering resolution is really easily processed. So the InSense InstaDoodle is designed to simplify the complex process of creating engaging whiteboard animations by automating most of the work through the artificial intelligence features. So basically, this is just a really easily way of how you can actually get started with the Doodle, you can see that there's a lot of things that we can come over. For example, there's a lot of props, there's a lot of characters. You can add them as you are moving them. The animations will be doing the actual job. Basically, what you just need to do is just to add the custom fonts that you might want to use them when it is timed to generate your actual video, and you can see the animation of the hand writing all of the process by itself. So guys, with this being said, we can now reach to the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We want to see more great tools of how we can get started with this great application of the InstaDoodle. You wanted to try out into the link that's going to be down below in the description, guys. Now the only thing is that this has of course not a trial mode. This is only have a one-time payment, so you might want to take that in mind before you wanted to check it out. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.